Wade's unboxing again. This time, another box, another unboxing. This one's from Amazon, pretty much as usual. Let's open up, see what we got. Okay, we got some packing bubbles, more packing bubbles, and we got a bag of something. Okay, this is no description here at all, but it is the Luxebell Jaws Flex Clamp Mount with adjustable neck. Bought this for my Action Cam. Let's open it up, see what we got. Another bag, vacuum sealed. Let's use the knife, open this up. Okay, so we have the, as you can see, Luxebell. It's a clamp. Oh, that's quite strong. Has little feet. I'm not sure if you can see that to clamp together. Also has a rubber, plasticky. Looks like some kind of tension belt. Not sure exactly how that works yet, but kind of got it so I could clamp it onto stuff and use this to angle and attach the Action Cam for some different types of shots. And as you can see, there's a groove section there, which most likely connects to one of these ends. Snap it in, clip it onto something, and then put the Action Cam up here. Some more pieces, and I think these are the, looks like a little, the top part clamp. Let's open this up. 1, 2, these look pretty much identical. Don't see any differences in them at all. They're quite the same. And we have the part that you connect to your Action Cam itself with the screw into the Action Cam, and then you would snap this onto there and use one of these to affix it. Let's see here if we can get this somewhat lined up. Maybe get the one backwards. Let's try this way. Quite tight. They don't actually line up well. Let's see if we can. Let's try the other one. There, actually it snapped in, as you've heard, and we'll screw that together to hold it, and then you would snap these two pieces together with the Action Cam on top. You can also, let's remove this, and remove this piece. And now you have a section, connection option to asphyxiate the Action Cam right to the clamp without using the adjustable neck. Okay, so that's the Luxebell Jaws Flex Clamp Mount with adjustable neck. And I think it will accept also the Gopro. I'm actually using the Sony. So this is for my Sony Action Cam. This is Wade, Wade's Unboxing. Thank you very much.